Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. We have Prime Day coming up soon, so they got Prime Day sales going on now. All you gotta do is click that link down below, check them out, and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now, and they'll ship to you fast. Here we go. Now, talking about fast. Now, this is supposed to be fast. Wireless charging RGB gaming mouse pad. Ooh. 15 watts. RGB. Fast charger. That's a good thing. Now, let's see how big this is. Oh yeah. It's not a bad size. Empty manual. There's the cable. We are good to go. So definitely check them out if you're in the market for a new mouse pad. We'll set this up right now. As soon as I close it shut. There we go. So you got the USB. Okay. Probably type C. Maybe we got a manual. Not gonna need that. And this is a nice size. This is coming from Schkner. Not sure. I know I butchered the name. Schkner. Got flat out. Oh yeah. Okay, this is cool. You can see the neon, the RGB. In order to turn the color. Here we go. Let me shut the lights off. Ooh. See, this is here we go. Switch it. This is red. It looks orange, but it's like the breathing mode. Probably keep it at this side. And then once you put your phone down, it charges. I don't have my other phone with me, so it's all good. But definitely a nice one to get. Nice size. Wall to wall. And then you put your phone there. Schkner. I tried, but check them out. Link is down below. Be safe. Have a good night.